Hi, welcome to Spanish 101, and today we're going to be talking about comparisons of inequality when talking about age. Our hopes is that by the end of the video you'll be able to understand how to express when someone is older and someone is younger, and this describing how old someone is. So the two important things we're going to have to know is how to say older than and younger than. And in Spanish, the way we do that is by saying mayor que or mayores que. And notice that since we're describing and we're making a description of someone, we're always going to match it. If it's a plural subject that we're trying to describe, then we're going to use the plural form. But if it's only one person that we're describing, then we're going to use the singular. And these don't change based on the gender. The only important thing is to know the quantity. And in order to express when someone is younger, we do menor que, menores que. And the same thing applies. If it's a singular noun, menor que. If it's a plural noun, menores que. So that's pretty straightforward, but now let's write an example for you to see how it works. So we have here Luis and Ricky. Both of them are siblings, and obviously one is younger than the other. So in this case, Luis is younger than Ricky. So let's write that down. Luis es menor que Ricky. So notice how we're using the verb ser, and that's because we're describing essential characteristics, right? So that's why we're going to use that. Luis es menor que Ricky. So what if we want to say Ricky is older than Luis? Ricky es mayor que Luis. Okay? So now let's imagine that Luis and Ricky have a younger sister, someone who is younger than them, and we want to make it plural. So we would say Luis y Ricky son mayores que Rosita. So imagine that their little sister's name is Rosita, and we're saying that they are older than she is. That way, we do Luis y Ricky son, and notice how we have to change it because it's plural. Luis y Ricky son mayores que Rosita. So Luis and Ricky are older than Rosita. So that's pretty much the foundation and the basis of how to express or how to compare based on age. So it's important for you to remember the way we express that and how, since we're talking about characteristics, you have to use the verb ser. So just make sure you understand. So let's say I'm describing, I have a younger brother, and I'm just comparing between us. So I would say, yo soy mayor que mi hermano. Okay? So that's another way that you could say that. Yo soy mayor que mi hermano, or if I was younger, yo soy menor que mi hermano. Okay? So I hope this video was useful for you to know how to express comparisons of inequality when talking about age, how to express older than and younger than.